we are going to always be using good voice leading where it's appropriate. What is voice leading? Again, voice leading has two simple rules. The first is when moving from one chord to another, we keep common tones. What does that mean? That means when I move from this G chord to the C chord, I'm going to keep that G as a common tone because that's a note that's found in both a G chord and a C chord. And if you need a little hot tip on how to figure out common tones, I find it really valuable to play the chords in the left hand and then use voice leading in the right hand. So I play the root position chord in the left hand, and then I go up to the root position in the left hand there, and I look for the common tones. I'm like, oh, okay, G, and then in the right hand, I'll just move up there. So I use the left hand as like my cheat sheet, if you will. Okay, so right hand is going to use good voice leading. So rule number one is keep common tones. Rule number two is move as little as possible. You should not be moving a lot on the piano unless you're specifically going for something that requires a lot of movement. But great piano players move very efficiently on the keyboard, meaning they only move as much as necessary. I'm going to put on a drum track. This is kind of the groove we have going for this song. And we're going to move through the form. That's the first 12 measures. Here we go. 1, 2, watch me now. Right hand voice leading. All G chords. All G chords. We're going to take a look at that G7 next. Ooh, moving up to that C chord and back to the G chord. Now watch me get to the 5 chord. That dirty D down to the C. And now look at that G chord. And that's that. And we can start all over again. There's that G chord. Dig it?